In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a privacy policy in Gohighlevel. We'll go through the process inside your Gohighlevel account and create a dedicated page for your privacy policy so it can be included on your website or funnel. This is a simple setup, but it's an important one, especially if you want your site to look professional and provide visitors with clear information about how their data is handled. Start by logging into Gohighlevel. Once you're inside the platform, make sure you're working in the correct sub account. This is important because websites, funnels, and pages are managed at the sub account level, so you want to be in the exact account where the site or funnel lives. After that, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Sites. This is where Gohighlevel stores your web assets, including funnels and websites. When the Sites section opens, click on Websites to view the list of website properties available in that sub account. From here, you have two options. You can either open an existing funnel or website if you already have one set up, or you can click Add New if you're creating something fresh. The goal here is simply to get into the website or funnel where you want the privacy policy page to exist. Once you're inside, click on Add New Page. This will let you create a separate page specifically for your privacy policy. Giving legal pages their own dedicated space helps keep your site organized and makes it easier to link to them later, usually from the footer or other navigation areas. Now, when prompted to name the page, enter privacy policy. Keeping the page name clear and standard is a good idea because it makes the purpose of the page obvious both for you and for your visitors. Next, add the page path. This is the URL slug that appears after your main domain. For example, you'll want to use something clean and recognizable, such as privacy policy. Using a simple path makes the page easier to find and keeps your website structure consistent. Once the page name and path are in place, click Create New Page. That will generate the new page inside your website or funnel, and from there you'll be ready to add your actual privacy policy content. That's it, you've successfully created a privacy policy page in Gohighlevel. After creating it, the next thing you'll usually want to do is review the page inside your site structure and make sure it's placed where visitors can easily access it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.